So good morning. Here I made up a compilation from my morning walk and got the Southern Railway's southbound side view of the Southern Railway's eastbound valley job just about to leave out of the yards, and I was lucky just to catch it in time. It was a 4-engine train for a change, so happy to see. So they were probably going to haul most likely the big freight out to all the way to Sumas or Huntington Sumas Chilliwack section anyways of the train. So and Brick Newton area might serve that too as well, or Sperling, whichever. But anyway, it's made long story short, it's a mixed compilation here, so please enjoy. And yeah, then I also got eastbound SkyTrain right afterwards, and then the Southern Railway as it's just slowly rolling to the yard, so which is good. So yeah.